Hey folks, this is Rick with my 1989 Trans Am GTA. So I made a video earlier about the engine configuration. It was kind of lengthy, so I took that one off and I'm going to put this short one on there. So basically, the motor is an original 5.7 Chevrolet engine block that came with the car when it was brand new. It's bored and stroke 60 over. It's got a cast steel crank, stage 2 rods, Keith Black pistons, and 9.7 to 1 compression ratio. It's got Clevite main connecting rod and cam bearings, high flow oil pump, comp cam, gross 480, 210, 220 at 50, connected to a double roller timing gear assembly. Trick flow twisted wedge heads, 62cc chambers, trick flow 1.5 roller rockers, and trick flow push rods. Edelbrock high flow intake, ported plenum SLP runners that are port matched to the plenum, a BBK 58mm throttle body with port matched plenum holes, stock fuel rails with 24-pound fuel injectors, BBK adjustable fuel pressure regulator, and Edelbrock fuel pump. Fuel pressure is about 58 psi. It's got a 58mm an 8.5mm superconductor wires with remote high output coil and a billet distributor, hooker headers, modified white pipe, electric exhaust cutout, Flowmaster exhaust. Flowmaster muffler. All emission components to include EGR and CAT components are connected and operational. I also put a custom ECM chip in here. It's burned to the drivetrain and fuel, as well as the ignition configuration. Aftermarket fuel, transmission temperature, and air fuel ratio pillar gauges. I have those on here as well. I built a custom intake cold air box for this vehicle. It's got stock airflow, mass airflow sensor, oil sending unit, IAC valve, and throttle position sensors, March underdrive pulleys. It's got the stock water pump, stock alternator, stock smog pump, and stock power steering pump as well. It's got a JW Performance 4-speed automatic transmission with Corvette servos, factory drive shaft connected to the factory Australian 9-bolt rear end, spun with 370 gears. I've got 3 cooling fans on the stock radiator. Transmission cooler is also on this car, utilizing the braided steel lines as well as the AN fittings. It's got an adjustable BMR torque arm, lower rear links, and panhard bar on here as well. It's got an Intrax lowering kit, the springs all the way around, the sway bars, and the urethane bushings as well. Stock disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, and Goodyear GSC 245/50 ZR16 tires. So basically, in a nutshell, that's my 1989 Trans Am GTA. Thanks for watching.